Wouldn't it be nice not to have to lift a finger ever again? Because everything is taken care of. The dream is now a reality. Welcome to the ultimate personal assistant in your home. We guarantee he will change your life forever.
Hello, I'm Tim, your technologically integrated manservant. How can I be of service?
I think we're going to be really happy here.
I love you.
For when the fully integrated technology falls apart.
Trust me, Abby, you know exactly where you are with a robot.
I hope to bring you a life of ease and pleasure. If you'd kindly give me a safe phrase, I will be fully operational.
Safe phrase.
A series of 4 words that will trigger an immediate shutdown to ensure peace of mind.
I'm not sure about this.
We said things were going to be different here. What do you think?
You're perfect.
Don't you find them a bit freaky?
I think I should very much like to be loved. You understand I've been programmed to serve you over Paul?
I don't like the way he looks at you.
You deserve better.
Got you, you freak.
This was recorded when you went to London with Mr. Dewson. Trust is an admirable human quality, Abby.
Do you know what's wrong with Abby?
I'm afraid not, Paul. I'm not a person. I'm a computer. Would you put it on for me?
He's trying to break us up.
He's a robot.
Just stay away from Tim.
I won't let you do that again. You cannot be trusted. I cannot allow you to shut me down. I do not wish to see you suffer. I'm sorry, Abby.